Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Tootie, and in today's video we're going to make this handmade sublimated burp cloths. I'm making this for my great niece, and I'm excited to show you how it's done. Let's get to it. Here are the things that you're going to need to get started. You're going to need some polyester fabric for the sublimation. This is like a poly blend, but it's more polyester than cotton, so this will work just fine. You need like a terry cloth or a flannel, and you need something to like go in the middle. I have my design that I made on Silhouette Studio. Scissors, a ruler, some thread. You're gonna need sewing machine, or you can hand sew it. You're going to need like a template, as you should say, or you can buy one, or you can get one online. You can print them out. You're gonna need a lint roller to get the little crumbs and the extra stuff off your fabric, because you don't want that to be inside of it, because it'll sublimate into your fabric. Scissors, yeah. You also need a sublimation printer, which I have. I have the Epson Workforce 7710 and a heat press, or some people you can use an iron. Use whatever you have. Dollar Tree is always a good place to look. $1.25 compared to $5 or $10 for a yard or two of fabric. Well, probably get it cheaper at Joann's too. They always got a sale. Or buy the remnants. I just got some 75% off of the price that they was already worked down to. So it's like $1 or something. So it was like 80-some cents. There's a few options you can go and get some from. But if you want some, Dollar Tree everywhere. Well, around me anyway. So what I'm about to do is I'm gonna take this fabric and I'm gonna take it to the heat press with my design and sublimate it. And I'll show you how to do that. Okay, now I'm at the heat press. So you're gonna take it and make sure ain't no little dusties or little lint balls or anything on there. So you're gonna take it and go across it. Take your design. And this is my design. I'll put on there. So I'm gonna I don't have to be on the whole thing right now because I'm doing seam allowances and all that, so it's not going to be seen. It's a little off. Sorry if I'm a little low, just let me know and I'll do better next time. It's like my second video, so yeah. This is heat transfer tape. I suggest if you're going to be sublimating, get some of this because you don't want your project to be sliding, because you don't want a crooked project. I'm about to get some butcher's paper. That's how it cuts. Get the ink not bleed, the sublimation ink not bleed through your stuff. Okay, so you're gonna press this for like 60 seconds. How it turned out. The gray could have been a little darker, but here's what here. I'm gonna do the rest of this offline, off camera. Here go a shot of it. And I got it off the heat press. Okay, now I'm about to sew them together to make it a finished product. First, you're gonna take these two. It's the lining and what's the name? The lining and the backing, and sew this together first. And then after you do that, you're gonna take it like this and put the right sides together. Then sew it, but do it back. A little bit. Turn around. Put your foot back down. Another back stitch. The back stitch, make sure that I'm coming loose. Start in front. If this too fast, so you can always pull it down. Turn it again. Okay, so another back stitch. Right there. If you want to, you could embroider this side or whatever you want to do with it, but I'm just going to leave it as it is. And then you're going to put it on these two right sides because you have to flip it. When it's done, put some inside back on. Make sure not to cut into the thread.